or class 4th A. Class 4th A. GSC. Subject GSC. Date is 7/10/2020. So in GSC we are studying lesson 12, 3 states of matter. Lesson 12, 3 states of matter. Lesson 12, 3 states of matter. In 3 states of matter, we are studying the worksheet 12. We are solving worksheet 12. We are studying worksheet 12. So first we are solving fill in the blanks A. Fill in the blanks. A. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. And here first, matter is anything. So first question is here, matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. So matter is anything that has mass. So first you have to fill mass and occupies space. So you have to fill here mass and space. And second, matter exists in states. So it is 3 states. Matter exists in 3 states. Matter exists in 3 states. Third, in solids, molecules are to each other. So here, in solids, molecules are very close to each other. So in solids, molecules are very close to each other. So here you have to fill very close. Very close to each other. Third, very close. And fourth, you see, liquids take the container they are poured in. So here you have to write liquids take the shape of the container. Take the shape of the container. So third, shape. Third, you have to fill shape. Liquids take the shape of the container they are poured. And next, fifth, the liquid in which the solute dissolves is called the liquid in which the solute dissolves is called the as water in which sugar is dissolved. So what we use the term for the water? Water work as the solvent. In the same way here in this question, the liquid in which the solute dissolves is called the solvent. Solvent. So this is the fill in the blanks. First you see, matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. And second, matter exists in three states. And third, in solids, molecules are very close to each other. And fourth, liquids take the shape of the container they are poured in. And fifth, the liquid in which the solute dissolves is called the solvent. So in this way, fill in the blanks is over, and after the fill in the blanks, we have to see, tick the right answer. B, you see, take the right answer. B, after A, and after that B, take the right answer. Take the right answer. Take the right answer. So first, atoms that are joined together are called three options are there: liquids, molecules, and shapes. So here molecules will be correct option. So first we have to tick again the molecules. So first, molecules correct. And second, what shape is a liquid? What shape is a liquid? So three options are there. Shape of the liquid is, as you know, that is shape of the liquid is according to shape of the container in which they are kept. So the what shape is a liquid? So sphere, solid shape, and the shape of its container. So shape of its container will be correct option. So you have to tick again the shape of its container. Shape of its container. Shape of its container. And third, you see, water evaporates due to three options are there: warm temperature, cold temperature, and the electricity. So water evaporates due to warm temperature or the high temperature. Actually, evaporation takes place at the ordinary temperature. So here, if you will correct here, three options are there. Water evaporates due to warm temperature will be correct option. Warm temperature. Third, warm temperature. And fourth, you see the fourth, what happens to water when it evaporates? What happens to water when it evaporates? It turns into a solid. No, it is incorrect. It turns into an atom. It is also incorrect. It turns into air. So it is the correct option. So it turns into air. So fourth, it turns into air. And fifth you see, and case of fifth, the solid that dissolves in a liquid is called. The solid that dissolves in a liquid is called. Three options are there. Solution. That solution means the solute plus solvent. And here solvent which dissolves the solute. So the solid that dissolves in a liquid is called solute. Solute is correct option. So in this way you can write these. First you have to write in your textbook, and then you have to write in your notebook. Thank you. That's what we learned.